بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
ألف لام را كتاب أحكمت آياته ثم فصلت من لدن حكيم خبير.
Alif Lam Ra. This is a divine command whose contents have been made firm and set forth in detail, a command from one who is all-wise, all-aware.
ألا تعبدوا إلا الله إنني لكم منه نذير وبشير.
That you may worship none but Allah. Verily, I have come to you as a warner and a bearer of good news from Him.
وأن استغفروا ربكم ثم توبوا إليه يمتعكم متاعا حسنا إلى أجل مسمى ويؤت كل ذي فضل فضله وإن تولوا فإني أخاف عليكم عذاب يوم كبير.
That you may seek forgiveness of your Lord and turn to Him in repentance, whereupon He will grant you a fair enjoyment of life until an appointed term, and will bestow favor on everyone who merits favor. But should you turn away from the truth, I fear for you the chastisement of an awesome day.
إلى الله مرجعكم وهو على كل شيء قدير.
Unto Allah is your return, and He has power to do everything.
ألا إنهم يثنون صدورهم ليستخفوا منه ألا حين يستغشون ثيابهم يعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون إنه عليم بذات الصدور.
Lo, they fold up their breasts that they may conceal themselves from Him. Surely, when they cover themselves up with their garments, Allah still knows well what they cover and what they reveal. Indeed, He even knows the secrets hidden in the breasts of people.
وما من دابة في الأرض إلا على الله رزقها ويعلم مستقرها ومستودعها كل في كتاب مبين.
There's not a single moving creature on earth except that Allah is responsible for providing its sustenance. He knows where it dwells and where it will permanently rest. All this is recorded in a clear book.
وهو الذي خلق السماوات والأرض في 6 أيام وكان عرشه على الماء ليبلوكم أيكم أحسن عملا ولئن قلت إنكم مبعوثون من بعد الموت ليقولن الذين كفروا إن هذا إلا سحر مبين.
And He it is who created the heavens and the earth in 6 days. And before that, His throne was upon the water, that He may test you who of you is better in conduct. If you were to say, O Muhammad, all of you will surely be raised after death, then those who disbelieve will certainly say, this is nothing but plain sorcery.
وَلَئِنْ أَخَّرْنَا عَنْهُمُ الْعَذَابَ إِلَىٰ أُمَّةٍ مَّعْدُودَةٍ لَيَقُولُنَّ مَا يَحْبِسُهُ أَلَا يَوْمَ يَأْتِيهِمْ لَيْسَ مَصْرُوفًا عَنْهُمْ وَحَاقَ بِهِم مَّا كَانُوا بِهِ يَسْتَهْزِئُونَ.
And were we to put off the chastisement from them for a determined period, they will cry out, what withholds him from chastising? Surely, when the day of the chastisement comes, nothing will avert it, and the chastisement which they had ridiculed shall encompass them.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَا الْإِنسَانَ مِنَّا رَحْمَةً ثُمَّ نَزَعْنَاهَا مِنْهُ إِنَّهُ لَيَئُوسٌ كَفُورٌ.
If we ever favor man with our mercy, and thereafter take it away from him, he becomes utterly desperate, totally ungrateful.
وَلَئِنْ أَذَقْنَاهُ نَعْمَاءَ بَعْدَ ضَرَّاءَ مَسَّتْهُ لَيَقُولَنَّ ذَهَبَ السَّيِّئَاتُ عَنِّي إِنَّهُ لَفَرِحٌ فَخُورٌ.
And if we let him taste favor after harm has touched him, he says, all my ills are gone, and he suddenly becomes exultant and boastful.
إِلَّا الَّذِينَ صَبَرُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ أُولَئِكَ لَهُم مَّغْفِرَةٌ وَأَجْرٌ كَبِيرٌ.
Except those who are patient and act righteously, such shall have Allah's forgiveness and a great reward.
فَلَعَلَّكَ تَارِكٌ بَعْضَ مَا يُوحَى إِلَيْكَ وَضَائِقٌ بِهِ صَدْرُكَ أَن يَقُولُوا لَوْلَا أُنزِلَ عَلَيْهِ كَنزٌ أَوْ جَاءَ مَعَهُ مَلَكٌ إِنَّمَا أَنتَ نَذِيرٌ وَاللَّهُ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ وَكِيلٌ.
O Messenger, let it not happen that you omit to expound a portion of what was revealed to you, and do not be distressed that they will say, why was a treasure not bestowed upon him? Or why did no angel accompany him? For you are merely a warner, whereas Allah has control over everything.
أَمْ يَقُولُونَ افْتَرَاهُ قُلْ فَأْتُوا بِعَشْرِ سُوَرٍ مِثْلِهِ مُفْتَرَيَاتٍ وَادْعُوا مَنِ اسْتَطَعْتُم مِّن دُونِ اللَّهِ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Do they say he has invented this book himself? Say, if that is so, bring 10 surahs the like of it of your composition, and call upon all the deities that you can to your help other than Allah. Do so if you are truthful.
فَإِن لَّمْ يَسْتَجِيبُوا لَكُمْ فَاعْلَمُوا أَنَّمَا أُنزِلَ بِعِلْمِ اللَّهِ وَأَن لَّا إِلَٰهَ إِلَّا هُوَ فَهَلْ أَنتُم مُّسْلِمُونَ.
Then if your deities do not respond to your call for help, feel assured that this book was revealed with the knowledge of Allah, and that there is no God but He. Will you then surrender to this truth?
مَن كَانَ يُرِيدُ الْحَيَاةَ الدُّنْيَا وَزِينَتَهَا نُوَفِّ إِلَيْهِمْ أَعْمَالَهُمْ فِيهَا وَهُمْ فِيهَا
those who merely seek the present world and its adornment, we fully recompense them for their work in this world, and they are made to suffer no diminution in it concerning what is their due.
أولئك الذين ليس لهم في الآخرة إلا النار وحبط ما صنعوا فيها وباطل ما كانوا يعملون.
They are the ones who shall have nothing in the hereafter except fire. There they shall come to know that their deeds in the world have come to naught, and that whatever they've done is absolutely useless.
أفمن كان على بينة من ربه ويتلوه شاهد منه ومن قبله كتاب موسى إماما ورحمة أولئك يؤمنون به ومن يكفر به من الأحزاب فالنار موعده فلا تك في مرية منه إنه الحق من ربك ولكن أكثر الناس لا يؤمنون.
Can it happen that he who enjoyed a clear evidence from his Lord, which is subsequently followed by a witness from him in his support, and prior to that was the book of Moses, revealed as a guide and a mercy, would even such a person deny the truth in the manner of those who adore the life of this world? Rather, such persons are bound to believe in it. The fire shall be the promised resort of the groups of people that disbelieve. So be in no doubt about it, for this indeed is the truth from your Lord, although most people do not believe.
ومن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا أولئك يعرضون على ربهم ويقول الأشهاد هؤلاء الذين كذبوا على ربهم ألا لعنة الله على الظالمين.
And who is a greater wrongdoer than he who invents a lie against Allah? Such persons will be set forth before their Lord, and the witnesses will testify. These are the ones who lied against their Lord. Lo, Allah's curse be upon the wrongdoers.
الذين يصدون عن سبيل الله ويبغونها عوجا وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Upon those who bar people from the way of Allah and seek in it crookedness and disbelieve in the hereafter.
أولئك لم يكونوا معجزين في الأرض وما كان لهم من دون الله من أولياء يضاعف لهم العذاب ما كانوا يستطيعون السمع وما كانوا يبصرون.
They had no power to frustrate Allah's plan on earth, nor did they have any protectors against Allah. Their chastisement will be doubled. They were unable to hear, nor could they see.
أولئك الذين خسروا أنفسهم وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
They caused utter loss to themselves, and all that they had invented failed them.
لا جرم أنهم في الآخرة هم الأخسرون.
Doubtlessly, they shall be the greatest losers in the hereafter.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وأخبتوا ربهم أولئك أصحاب الجنة هم فيها خالدون.
As for those who believed and acted righteously and dedicated themselves totally to their Lord, they are the people of paradise, and there they shall abide forever.
مثل الفريقين كالأعمى والأصم والبصير والسميع هل يستويان مثلا أفلا تذكرون.
The example of the two parties is that one is blind and deaf, and the other capable of seeing and hearing. Can the two be equal? Will you then not heed?
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ إِنِّي لَكُمْ نَذِيرٌ مُبِينٌ.
Such were the circumstances when we sent forth Noah to his people. He said, I have been sent to you to warn you plainly